Hey, what's up, Cedar, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And you guessed it, it's another Funko Pop. So let me just slide in there. Real smooth. Ah, like that. Buttery smooth. Oh, and my knife is really sharp. I think it cut my skin a bit. Ow. Okay, kids, be careful around sharp objects. Ah, okay. Oh my god, it's the Tracer one. Awesome. I haven't played any Overwatch, but I like Tracer. I like her color. It's so bright and orange. And the visor, so futuristic. And she's super fast. So yeah, I like her design. Who else? Yeah, I know. I haven't played any. I also kind of like Diva. I like her color. But no, just Tracer. Just Tracer. I think it's. Yeah, I think it feels awful a bit if. I don't know what do you call this. If I become a fan while not playing it. Okay. First things first, let's take a look at the code. And my camera won't focus, it's different. DRM 190905. That's weird. I usually get FAC. Oh crap. So tight. Okay, here we go. There we go. Slide it in there. Yeah. So this is her, Tracer. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's gently take her out of her plastic. Well, you can be you can be what do you call this? Not too careful in here because remember she's a Blizzard character and not a Marvel or Star Wars character, and she doesn't have any springs in her neck. Yeah, she can turn her head. So yeah. Oh yeah, let's look for the code. The code. Oh, I think it's in her neck actually. See, DRM 190905. So another original Funko Pop. Where can I place her? The reason why I bought her because of her design. I like the orange. I also like her shoes and her aviator jacket. So yeah. I don't know much about the character, but I know that she's somehow stuck in some sort of time space continuum kind of crap, and the only thing keeping her in this plane of existence is the machine on her chest and on her back. I believe that's it. I don't really know because I haven't played any Overwatch. I just like her character design because it's so cool. Okay, and my camera won't focus. Oh hell yeah, so cool, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Okay, let's put her back because I'm starting to sound like an idiot because I don't know my facts. Okay, where's the back one? Is this it? Okay, this is it. There we go. Nice and tight, snug as a bug in a rug. There we go. Ain't she pretty? So yeah, remember, another reminder from yours truly, keep the box safe. Keep the plastic safe if you want to sell your Funko Pops again in the future. For whatever reasons, yeah, just keep the box safe. You can open them, you can play around with them, you can even clean them if you want. Just be careful. with the box and the toy itself, of course. Okay, always grab a protector. Always buy something that includes a protector or just buy one individually. It's important to save the box. A reminder. Okay. Ooh, snap it in there. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. If you want more content like this, give me subs, give me likes, and give the bell a ring in the nuts. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.